my name is Carolina and this is the Colostomy Care Skills video. As you can see, I already have my Nightingale scrubs batch. A few items that I need for this video is my waste container, the modular with the adhesive ring and the pouch already placed on it, the stomach guide, the skin prep, clean gloves, towels, and hand sanitizer. So I'm going to enter the room, close the door for patient privacy, and I'm going to perform hand hygiene and I introduce myself. Hello, Mr. Legs. My name is Carolina. I'm going to be your nurse today. Can I verify your name and date of birth? So I already identified the patient with his two identifiers. Now I'm going to explain the procedure. Mr. Legs, today I'm going to remove your pouch, assess the skin and the stomach, and clean the area, and apply a new pouch. Do you have any questions before we get started? So I already explained the procedure to the patient and I answer any questions. So before I start the procedure, I'm going to raise the bed to a comfortable working height, and I'm going to instruct the patient to lay flat on his back to make sure that he's comfortable before I start. So I'm going to perform hand hygiene, and I'm going to apply clean glove, the first thing that I'm going to do is remove the pouch, and I am going to dispose all the waste in my proper waste receptacle. So I empty the pouch. Okay, so I already empty all the waste in the container. We keep the clamp if needed, and we throw that all back in the trash. Now I'm going to remove the adhesive ring. We start by peeling off from the edges towards the center, being careful that we don't do any that we don't damage the skin around the stomach, and we throw it on the trash as well. Now I'm going to grab a clean towel using warm water and the approved solution, and we clean the area, the skin around the stomach. Okay, we discard it, and I'm going to assess the skin around the stomach as well as the stomach to identify if there is any skin breakdown, or if the stomach is and make sure that the stomach is looking beefy red, there is no drainage, no odor, and it's looking all healthy. Now that I already assessed the skin and the stomach, I'm going to come to the stomach guide, and I'm going to find the right size, not too big, not too small. Okay, this one fits perfectly. This is a 32 millimeters. Now I'm going to grab the new adhesive ring, and I'm going to draw the right size on the adhesive ring. Okay, and I'm going to put the center, and I'm going to make sure that this is the right fit. Okay, this fits perfectly. Now I'm going to grab a clean towel, and I'm going to pat dry the skin around the stomach. Okay, I discarded on the proper receptacle, and I'm going to grab the protective skin prep. I apply it around the stomach, and I'm going to let it dry before I apply the new adhesive ring. Okay, so I'm going to apply the adhesive ring. Okay, make sure that all the edges are completely sealed, and I'm going to grab a new pouch, and I'm going to attach it to the ring, making sure that it is perfectly sealed, that we hear the click on it. And now we are going to seal the end of the pouch using the clamp at the end. And again, I'm going to assess that all the adhesive is completely sealed to prevent leakage from the stomach and around the skin area. Okay, now that the Mr. Lakes already has his new pouch, I'm going to dispose all the waste. I already disposed the waste. I'm going to clean up all my equipment, throw everything on the trash. I'm going to remove my glove. Discard it on the trash. I perform hand hygiene, and I'm going to return the bed to the lowest height. I'm going to make sure that Mr. Lakes is comfortable. Mr. Lakes, are you comfortable? Yeah. So I answer any questions if the patient has any concerns about how to care for the stomach. And I'm going to document the procedures, and I will communicate any concerns that I found during my assessment. I'm going to communicate it to the healthcare provider. This is how you change a pouch and care for a stomach. Thank you.